Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Appearance panel lets you make many visual adjustments to a web photo gallery by changing the options for the currently selected template. To change the appearance of a web gallery, expand the Appearance panel at the right side of the web module. It's important to keep in mind that the tools available in the Appearance panel will change depending on the layout style of the currently applied template. For example, if you apply a classic gallery template to a web photo gallery, the Appearance panel displays an option for adding drop shadows to photos. However, if you apply a grid gallery, square gallery, or track gallery template, the option for adding drop shadows is not available. If you can't find an option that was previously displayed in the Appearance panel, it's probably because the layout style of the currently applied template doesn't allow that element to be modified. For classic gallery templates, the Appearance panel shows the following options. To apply a drop shadow to all gallery photos, check the Add Drop Shadow to Photos checkbox. To apply borders to the gallery sections, like the title and gallery images section, check the Section Borders checkbox, and then click the color chip to the right to select its color from the pop-up menu. To set the thumbnail image gallery's grid size, hover your mouse cursor over the Grid Pages grid in the Appearance panel. As you move the cursor over the grid, the number of highlighted rows and columns changes. When the highlighted portion of the grid shows the number of rows and columns you want, click the grid. To show an index number in the upper left corner of each photo thumbnail, check the Show Cell Numbers checkbox. To apply borders to the gallery's photo thumbnails, check the Photo Borders checkbox and then click the color chip to the right to select the color from the pop-up menu that appears. The Image Pages section lets you set the appearance of the larger image pages that appear when a user clicks a gallery thumbnail. To preview the changes you make here, click a gallery thumbnail in the Image Preview area if needed. To set the larger image size, use the Size slider. To apply photo borders to the larger photos, check the Photo Borders checkbox and then click the color chip to the right to select the color from the pop-up color menu. If checked, then set the border's width by using the Width slider. For grid gallery templates, the Appearance panel shows the following options. To set the size of photo gallery thumbnails, use the Thumbnail Size drop-down. To set the thumbnail border's thickness, use the Thumbnail Border Thickness drop-down. Selecting 0 from this drop-down hides thumbnail borders. To set thumbnail image shadow strength, use the Thumbnail Shadows drop-down. Select None from the drop-down to hide the shadows. To set the page numbering style for the thumbnail gallery, use the Pagination Style drop-down. To make a multi-page gallery, select multiple pages from the drop-down, and then use the Items per Page drop-down to choose the number of thumbnails to show per page. To show a gallery header, check the Show Header checkbox. To keep the header displayed as a user navigates the gallery if you applied a header, check the Floating Header checkbox. For square gallery templates, the Appearance panel shows the following options. To set the size of photo gallery thumbnails, use the Thumbnail Size drop-down. To set when the gallery loads its thumbnail images, select an option from the Thumbnail Loading drop-down. To show a gallery header, check the Show Header checkbox. To keep the header displayed on screen as a user navigates the gallery if you applied a header, check the Floating Header checkbox. For track gallery templates, the Appearance panel shows the following options. To set the height of its photo rows, use the Row Height slider. To set the spacing between rows, use the Row Spacing drop-down. To show a gallery header, check the Show Header checkbox. To keep the header displayed on screen as a user navigates the gallery if you applied a header, check the Floating Header checkbox.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.